How to log in to Barclays Mortgage account. So if you want to log in to Barclays Mortgage account, then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now on the search bar, you have to search for Barclays Mortgage login. And after searching for Barclays Mortgage login, you have to click on the first search. Now to log into your account, you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner. But if you don't have an account, then you can go to register, and then you can register your account or create your account. So now to log into Barclays, you have to choose that if you want to enter your membership number or your card number, or you can also enter your sort code and account number. You can choose any one of these. And to log in, first you have to enter your last name, and after entering your last name, you have to enter your membership number, which contains 12 digits. But if you don't know your membership number, then you can click here and then you can recover or reset your membership number. And if you want to remember, like if you want to save your last name and login method, you can click on this. But if you don't want to save, then you can unclick it. And now if you want to log in, then simply enter your last name and your membership number, and after entering that, you can click on continue. And that's it. That's how you log into your Barclays Mortgage account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.